Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use organic jasmine water, updated. Shake the bottle, perform a small patch test, and hold the spritzer about 6 inches from skin before misting. Use morning and evening after cleansing, or anytime for a refreshing boost. Store in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. If irritation occurs, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist or stop using the product immediately today. Start by using jasmine water as a facial mist to hydrate skin and set makeup, or mix a teaspoon into your moisturizer for added scent and soothing benefits. You can spritz on hair midday for fragrance and softness, or use in homemade room spray with distilled water and a few drops of essential oil. Always shake before use and avoid contact with eyes. Patch test on inner wrist if you have sensitive skin. Keep out of reach of children. Use jasmine water sparingly around eyes and avoid during breakouts or on broken skin to prevent irritation. Combine with sunscreen after application once it fully absorbs, and avoid layering with strong acids like glycolic without guidance. For linen sprays, dilute 3 parts distilled water to 1 part jasmine water and test fabric first. Replace every 3 months if homemade to prevent bacterial growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.